Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see how to find the missing frequency, in median. We have seen how to find the missing frequency in the mean. Same way we have to find the missing frequency in the median. Here in this question which is on the screen, there are two missing frequencies, F1 and F2, and you have to find this missing frequency F1 and F2. So let us see how to find the missing frequency. So I remove the question and take a new table on the screen. Here on the screen you will see a new table in which there is a cumulative frequency column. It means we have to add one more column, that is of the cumulative frequency. As we have seen in the previous episodes while finding how to find the median of the given data. Now here the class interval is given to you and the frequency is given to you, and we will find the cumulative frequency first. This is the first step. And as you know that how to find the cumulative frequency, that we write this first frequency as it is, that is 5. Then we add the next frequency to this previous cumulative frequency. So it will be 5 plus F1. Do not write as 5 F1. This is wrong because we are not multiplying the two numbers but we are adding the two numbers, and since both of these numbers are not same and therefore we cannot add these two numbers, so we will keep it as separate as F5 plus F1. Then we add this cumulative frequency to the next frequency, that is 20 plus 5 plus F1. 20 and 5, these two are the like terms, so we will add that. So 20 plus 5, that will be 25, plus F1, this is unlike term, so we will keep it as separate. Now we will add this cumulative frequency to this next frequency. So 15 plus 25 plus F1. 15 and 25 are like terms, and therefore if you add these two you will get it as 20, 10, 30 and 10, 40. So it will be 40 plus F1. Now we will add this cumulative frequency to the next frequency, that is F2. Again the one more unlike term is there, so we will keep it separate. So that addition will be 40 plus F1 plus F2. And here we will add 5 to this to get the next cumulative frequency. So 5 and 40 are the like terms, so we will add it to get 45 plus F1 plus F2. Now here we have got the cumulative frequency. This is the first step which we have completed, and now we will see how to find the missing frequency. Here the total number of frequency is given to us in the question, and that total cumulative frequency is 60. So if you add all these, you will get the total frequency, but the total frequency is given as 60, and so we will equate these both to get the equation. So add these like terms first. These are the like terms. So if you add all these like terms, you will get it as 45 plus F1 plus F2. As you know, in the previous questions we have seen that this last cumulative frequency and sum of all the frequency, that will be always equal. So if you add all these, you are going to get this last cumulative frequency. So it will be 45 plus F1 plus F2, which is equal to 60. If you add all these frequencies, you will get it as 45 plus F1 plus F2, and that total is equal to 60. This is the first equation you have got. Sorry, we can shift 45 to the other side and you will get F1 plus f2, that is equal to 60 minus 45, that will be 15, and this is the first equation that you have got. Now we will see further. We have been given that median that is given to us, median in the question, it is given as median is equal to 28.5. In the question it is given that median is equal to 28.5. Since this 28.5 lies between 20 and 30, this 28.5 median is given to us that it is 28.5, and this median lies between 20 and 30, so our median class will be 20 to 30. So our median class is 20 to 30, and its lowest term, this is the upper term and this is the lower term, so this lower term is denoted by L, and that is 20. So L is equal to 20, median class that is equal to 20 to 30, and therefore L, that is lower term, is equal to 20, lower term of the median class. Now this is the frequency and this is the cumulative frequency. So F we need. So F is what? It is the frequency of the median class. So this is the median class and its frequency is what? It is 20, and so F1, F will be, that is frequency will be 20. So here F is equal to 20. Now the next is cumulative frequency we require. So cumulative frequency CF, that is what? The previous cumulative frequency of the median class. This is the median class. Its cumulative frequency is 25 plus F1 and its previous cumulative frequency is 5 plus F1. So CF we take as 5 plus F1. Now H is equal to, H is a what? Class height. So this is the class 30 to 40, 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 0 to 20. And what is the difference between these two? That is the lower term and upper term. The difference is of 10. So H is the height of the class. And now we will use the formula to solve it further. So here we will use the formula. So formula for the median is median that is equal to L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency multiplied by H. So here what is N by 2 that we will require? We know that the total of the frequency that is given to us is 60, and therefore N by 2 will be half of 60, and that is 30. So here N by 2 will be 30. So everything we have got, L we have got, that is 20. So write here 20 plus into bracket N by 2. N by 2 is 30. So it is 30 minus cumulative frequency. Here the cumulative frequency is 5 plus F1. Here be careful because this is the accident prone area. This is the accident prone area, rather I should say that most accident prone area, because we are subtracting 5 plus F1. So we will have to change the sign of 5 as well as F1, but we don't do like that. We forget to change the sign of F1. We simply write that minus 5 plus F1. Don't do like that. And so here it will be minus 5 minus F1. So be careful at this accident prone area divided by F1. F1 is what? F1 is, F is what? It is 20 multiplied by height. height, we have got height is 10, so multiplied by 10. So this will be 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, so which is equal to 20 plus into bracket 30 minus 5, that 30 minus 5 will be 25, 25 minus f1 upon 2. Now we will solve this further. So here we will take 20 to this side. We have been given that median is what? Median is 28.5, so it is 28.5. so if you take 20 to this side, it will be 28.5 minus 20, and that will be 8.5. 28.5 minus 20, that will be 8.5. so this is 8.5, which is equal to this 20 we have taken to this side and subtracted from 28.5. so what will leave? This much will be left. So 25 minus 5 upon 2. Now 8.5 multiplied by 2, we will cross multiply. So 8.5 multiplied by 2, that will be twice of this. 8 and 8 16 and 1 17, which is equal to 25 minus f1. This is f1. Now take f1 to this side, so you will get f1 is equal to 25 minus 7, and 25 minus 7, that will be 8. So f1 you have got, so highlight this answer. So f1 is equal to 8. Now putting the value of f1 in equation number 1. The equation number 1 is what? We will see here. Equation number 1, that is f1 plus f2 is equal to 15. So in that equation we will put f1 as 8. So f1 plus f2, which is equal to 15. So put the value of f1 here as 8. So it will be 8 plus f2, which is equal to 15. Take 8 to this side, so it will be 15 minus 8, and so f2 is equal to 7. Highlight this. So you have got the values of f1 and f2. Both the missing frequencies are 8 and 7. So at the end write the answer, that missing frequencies f1 is equal to 8 and f2 is equal to 7.